lick the floor. I'm going to do it because I just trust in Ray and the information. There's somebody else.
Right? So now right here, right? The top educational platform inside this world, right? We have 20 billion people inside of this educational platform, and they're telling you exactly what to do, right? Right? So now they're gonna make you money instantly, right? So we got Mackie there. He played for $20 million in 1 minute, right? 38 billion people are on this go live on a day-to-day basis. Why not you?
It's okay because I know we couldn't all make it out, right? I'm on my last dollar right now. I'm literally, if I show you my bank account, I'm on my last dollar right now because of all the traveling that I've had to do, right? To go to meet the squad and meet the team, right? But we're making it happen. You see, guys, if you don't know about me, my name is Rafe. I'm 19 years young. I joined iMaster Academy less than 2 years ago. It's been about a year and 8-9 months, and I joined when I was 17.
I'm on my last dollar.
You say you want to learn how to trade. Cool. What do you need to trade? So you tell me you don't have it. You need to build the fucking business. Or quit. Because it's not going to work.
Yo, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Ty, back with another banger. Hey, so today, right here on my left hand side, I will be switching screens really soon, but we're gonna go over the topic, right? Forex traders and the business of Forex. I think there's a distinct difference. Okay, now a lot of people, oh, I made it off Forex, I went 0 to 900,000 in 2 months with Forex. But see, statistically, well, we're looking at statistics, and the statistics don't add up to the claims, right? So
quite honestly, it's up here between these 6 inches that makes you not rich but wealthy. Okay, it's not the charts aren't going to make you rich. I promise you. What's really important is Starbucks. Okay.
We're gonna do a little myth busting today. We're gonna look at the business of Forex, the difference between the business of Forex and then being an actual Forex trader. All right, so let me go ahead and slide over here. All right. So I have 2 sheets. I have the percentage of Forex traders that actually lose money, right? And then I have a stat sheet that shows, you know, like pie graphs and things like that. So why Forex traders lose money in the Forex trading industry? All right. Well, you know why. They're impatient. Most people come in with that workers type of mentality. Most people come in, you know, not really financially literate. And what I mean is they don't have that personal development. They didn't go through the personal development. They just seen somebody that said that, you know, they turned $2 into 200,000 in 1 month, and you know that's you know what they got introduced to, and they're like, oh, I want in, I can make money like that, and you know you're already in for the wrong reasons already.
If getting on the chart every single day, all day, got you to the fastest million, I would do it. Do you hear me? I don't choose how I win. I don't care.
You know what I mean? But let's look at the percentage. All right, public data shows that 75 to 95% of the broker's clients lose money, and there is always a big percentage of traders that are not profitable, but they're not losing traders. You know what I mean? So, here it is. How many traders are profitable in the retail industry? And what I mean by retail, meaning that you don't trade for an institution or bank. So if you are not an actual trader for a fund, an institution, or a bank, then you're not an institutional trader. Sorry to bust that bubble. You're a retail trader and you're trading like everyone else. All right. But based on the broker's data, it tells you here in the stock market, 90% of traders fail to be profitable every year. And they're taking these percentages from the broker data. Okay. So, you know, like I said, there's so many people that claim to be profitable, you know, in this foreign exchange in the industry, but I feel like they're more profitable in the business side, you know, and pushing and peddling the education side than they are actual Forex traders. And you're like, well, why would you suggest that? See, I'm different. Like, I used to run a media company, so when I do research, it's a little bit different. I know what I'm looking for. You know what I'm saying? So when I usually go looking for it, I find that shit. And, you know, when I find the things, what I'm surprised with is always like, it's not really surprising. You'll notice that, you know, like I remember I was watching one video on YouTube. It's crazy. The lady was like, oh, I'm making 70,000 for some sort of, man, her fucking bed was on the floor. On the floor. $70,000, nigga, you don't want to go get a brand new bed? That's just a boop, boop, and it's there tomorrow. So you definitely will see in the lifestyles, you know what I'm saying? And then like you could tell when a lifestyle changes, you know what I'm saying? Like you'll be like, well, you could start comparing where things are at, and you'd be like, hold on, it was a fucking crazy jump from here to here. What happened? This nigga hit the lottery? And it's like, oh no, boom, boom, boom. And then you start putting two and two together. It's like, damn, that's crazy. You know what I mean? And then also what's dope is people have histories too. So you could go look at somebody's past, and not to say that anyone's past, you know, dictates where their future is going, but you could look at the past and it literally will be right there. And you'd be like, damn, that's, you know, even though that's who you were, shit, sometimes your past mistakes ride with you. Kevin Hart, right? Not to go off topic, but he just like recently had to address something from a past tweet from like 7 or 8 years ago. You know, this was years ago, but I mean, your past will definitely come around to hunt you if you're not who you say you are. You know what I'm saying? And people ask me, oh, why don't you fuck with so-and-so or so-and-so? I don't fuck with nobody who are not who they say they are. You know what I mean? And that's why you don't see them around me. And that's how I do, and that's how it's always been. But the real question is, can retail Forex traders make money? Obviously they can. Experts claim that 95% of traders, right, lose money, okay? And they quit Forex trading, okay? A lot of them don't understand the market. They think they could beat the market and make a large capital. They may be very aggressive, low capital. So a lot of people start with too little money, okay, managing risk. But then you will see like motherfuckers don't have no risk management in life, like behind on bills, don't have a savings account. Like just think about all the money problem and money stuff that you come and bring into the foreign exchange market, and then you want this thing to magically change you being behind on fucking bills. Like, go take care of your bills and then come over here and get popping, because now you think, oh, I gotta pay the bills with this money. And I mean, how you gonna make sound financial decisions if you're stressed out? You know what I mean? It doesn't make sense. So the business of Forex, though, they would tell you, yeah, oh, behind on bills, come fuck with me. Yeah, I'll buy this course right here, this course for right here, and you'll change your life. I'll tell you straight up, nigga, you're probably not gonna make it. You're like, whoa, what do you mean? You're probably not going to make it. That's the reality of this shit. Most people don't have a heart to really, you know, get down in the game. This shit take heart. It take grit. You gotta be, nigga, assertive. You feel me? Confidence. How many people you know that's truly confident? I wake up and say, oh man, I love myself. I keep on moving with the day. Not arrogance. You gotta have a hint of arrogance too. But I'm speaking about just true confidence. You know what I'm saying? Being able to look at something, say this is what it is, and that's exactly what it is, and move with that. Move with the punches, the W or the L. You know what I mean? This shit is like, I don't know. I feel like I was able to master it because I was able to master my emotions. You know, when I was younger, I really had no patience. Now, shit, I got patience. Like, I can sit back and wait because I know this shit ain't going nowhere. I'm in no rush because I know that the market is moving with time. You know what I'm saying? Let's slide back though. So being greedy, obviously trading without a plan, trying to predict the top or bottom, you know, purchasing Forex trading systems. How many, you know, many Forex trading systems are being advertised extensively online, which promise huge profits. So how many, you know, systems or things have you invested in that promise that you have huge returns? Probably a bunch, you know, a bunch of fucking academies out there that then sold you on some dreams and shit. All right, so that's a little bit of the difference, but now we're got to pull up some more statistics. So my thing is, if there's all these failed traders, then where do all the profitable ones come from? You know what I'm saying? Like, it just, 2 and 2 don't add the fuck up. And like I said, when I start looking at backgrounds and lifestyles, it's like, well, what was your lifestyle like before you put that link in your bio? And then that's what I started looking at. You got some people who are fucking ex-Chatterbait models and all type of shit, you know what I'm saying? And then, you know, from Chatterbot getting your booty hole busted to motherfucking, yeah, now I'm the master Forex trader. Like, hold on, nigga. Just 2 months ago, you was over here, now you over here. It don't even make sense. That shit not adding up. You know what I'm saying? But my thing is, birds of a feather flock together. So wherever you see the birds of those feathers, those people are exactly alike. It's the way that they're able to be around each other. You'll notice in the collaborations as well, you know, usually 2 peas of a pot, you have to be able to, okay, yeah, I fuck with it, okay, boom, and then come together, nigga, for that common ground. I'm not about to find no common ground, no fake ass Forex traders, nigga. I'm gonna keep it a beam with you, you feel me? Ain't no common ground. I'm gonna stay doing me, you feel me? So Forex trader statistics in 2020, like I said, like a lot of shit wasn't adding up to me. So let's talk about the business of Forex and then Forex. So we noticed that the business of Forex, you have a lot of charlatans selling and shelling the idea that you're gonna be able to get rich trading Forex. If you sign up to their recruitment program and you go get 2 friends, they get 2 friends and get 2 friends and shit. Some of them have even got to the point to where they'll come out in a meeting and tell you, fuck trading. The only thing you need to focus on is the business of Forex, meaning, you know, keep peddling this bullshit. All you got to do is sell the potion. It's a lighter, but sell the potion to people because people are buying on the idea that they could make it if we just get this proper information or this potion. The business of Forex, actually trading, nigga, fuck pushing all that bullshit when I could just go type buttons, enjoy myself, play video games for 3 to 10 hours a day. You know what I mean? Enjoy time with my family. And not talk to anybody all day if I don't feel like it. The freedom is just amazing. So you have to ask yourself, like, which side would you rather be on? Would you rather be on the business of Forex side where you actually have to do a bunch of fucking work? This is Zoom calls, working all damn day, just work. You know what I'm saying? I thought that you started learning how to trade so you can get out of a job or get out or have that second stream of income to have more freedom. And then you go into the business of Forex, not Forex trading, but the business of Forex, and then you don't have no freedom because, well, your fucking time is spent up all day talking to people and shit. And then you got Forex trading where, I mean, my time is spent up fucking playing Call of Duty, you know what I'm saying, Fortnite, NBA 2K21, you know what I'm saying, Warzone, shit. And now, because people didn't believe, oh, I'll be playing video games like that. Like, so now I'm on my other YouTube, you know what I'm saying, recording the gameplay and shit just because I'm having fun, enjoying life. After I'm done, right, no cap, go downstairs, watch movies with my daughter and shit. And that's, you know, usually what my days is looking like. But if you want a life where you can wake up and be free, then start looking into Forex trading and don't get involved with the business of Forex because you're going to be working all fucking day. That's the thing. You know what I'm saying? My work is playing Call of Duty until my hands get tired. Like, my fingers hurt. Well, I guess I'm done. You know what I mean? So straight up. You got to ask yourself, what type of freedom do you really want? What type of freedom do you really want? All right. So every marketer in the Forex sector is at present is aware of the fact that accusation is more difficult than before. And what they mean, you feel me, by accusation is shit. It's harder for people to sell their Forex shit because, I mean, now everybody's selling their Forex shit. So what's the best bet? Well, fuck selling the Forex shit if you can really trade. Cut that shit off. Boop, go trade. Now who lifestyle going to stay the same though? Like, okay, we see my man over here, bro said he was a trader and it stayed the same. Well, you're still peddling your bullshit. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, which lifestyle is better and who's really on top of the charts? Is it the man who's really working, doing the Zoom calls all fucking day? Or is it the traders who have the ultimate freedom? Okay, freedom is amazing. Freedom is amazing. All right, so Forex trading numbers. All right, so this is the like I said, we was gonna bring up some pie graphs and stuff because I mean, it was one thing to talk about it, so another thing to look everything up and bring the statistics there. Statistics, and actually bringing up where you got your research from is amazing. Research is amazing. Do your research, especially on people. You'd be surprised what you learn. If you look up me, you'll see me. Literally, nigga, in college and younger, doing research just like this shit, doing exactly what it is, looking at different type of math and algorithms and shit like that. Not to say, I wasn't educated at the school I was at, in high school, but when I got to college, I knew that I would have to make a change. Like, it wasn't, it's not cool to be ignorant. And what I mean ignorant is to not know. So I knew that if I wanted to be able to have conversations in rooms that didn't really accept people like me, that I would, for one, have to be able to learn how to talk, learn how to conduct myself, learn how to be able to talk about subjects that aren't really, spoken about in places like where I'm from. You know what I'm saying? So that's what made me so versatile, like a chameleon. I can go in any room and, okay, you want to talk about science, you want to talk about quantum physics, you want to talk about finance, you want to talk about, environmental behavior, you want to, just having a broad range of things that you could talk about and dabble in and really open your mind, you know what I mean? But let's keep going. So, most traders happen to be between 25 and 34, all right? 15% of traders are more than 45, all right? 35% of traders use mobile, and you're like, well, where do they get these from? So you know how they have brokers, right? And brokers, well, they got statistics that come through the brokers, so they're able to tell you who's winning, who's losing, shit like that, right? So this is where they're getting all these stats from. All right, so 48% of phones are Androids, so 3%, shit, 3% of traders are using Androids instead of iPhones. And there you go. But I told you what the trading phone was is the motherfucking Android when we did the video. Remember when I did the difference? Educational tweets are receiving more engagement. Influencers, that's okay. Influencers have the ability to instill faith. Influencers have the ability to win 95% of all the traders out there. It's essential considering aligning your broker with micro influencers. Well, brokers already know that. You know, that's why they reach out. 59% of marketers are making plans to enhance influencers, basically saying that they're about to hike up the influence and shit. You see a lot of companies that have started buying celebrity endorsements to try to hike up their trading programs. And, you know, the celebrities, they come get the check, talk about that shit for a week and be like, hey, that should be too funny, but hey, that's what you pay for. You know what I'm saying? The celebrity endorsement. They said y'all was nice. All right, now you got what you needed. Get the fuck out of here. You feel me? Back to doing what you need to do. So here's more stats, right? 95% of traders still don't succeed. 85, well not 80, but 80% quit within, right, the most the first couple years. They said effective research is what is it? An absence of effective research is the most significant cause of failure. So basically said they don't do research. Okay. 80% of marketers making use of video. Like I said, the business of Forex and Forex. So that's why they keep bringing up the marketing aspect. You'll notice a lot of the, Forex marketers, they'll be at their, poolside meetings and shit telling you why they hate Forex and why you should just focus on building. And I mean, I feel like if you're gullible enough to just listen to that nonsense, then fuck it. You know what I'm saying? But don't try to go up against people who really do this shit. That's like Forex. See, if Forex was like the NBA, you had your NBA players that are on the teams. So nobody who's like, trying to coach a little junior team can be like, yeah, man, I was in the NBA. You know what I'm saying? I was putting up 42 points a game. You feel me? You wasn't putting up 42 up, nigga. You feel me? Let me see you. Let me see you take a shot right now. All right, we all watching. Here go basketball. Boom. Ah, bro, see, the ball is rusty right now. This ain't an NBA size. Okay, here go NBA regulated. Oh, man, this one got too much air in it. That's what the fuck I thought. You know what I mean? But hey, man, it's your boy Ty. Let me know right now which one you rather be involved in, whether it's the business of Forex or just Forex trading. When you want freedom, time, being able to play video games, travel, do whatever you want, not have to talk to people, not have to really do anything, but just sit down, make money, and press buttons for the rest of your life. Forex trading, or the business of Forex, where you gotta sit and do the business of Forex. You're gonna be working, you're gonna be doing all the other nonsense that comes with doing the business of Forex. So do you want to be a worker or do you want to be free? Let me know in the comment section right now. It's your boy Ty, and I'm out. Peace.